This is Phase Music.
All right, guys. So we cleaned up as much as we could on this Jesse James bicycle frame. Unfortunately, I think I got too crazy in the abrasives. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, let's look up here. That looks amazing. But right here, look at it. I don't know if you can see it, all the imperfections, all the swirls. So I think I went too heavy in the abrasive. So a lot of the chrome is basically like, either it was just too pitted and I had no choice, there was no coming back, or the abrasive was just too strong. See, there's a little bit left here. And yeah, just left swirl marks. And I've looked up and down, tried steel wool with WD-40. The only thing I didn't try was like toothpaste, but I just don't think toothpaste is going to take this out, dude. So yeah, all this right here is just, look at that, all that coating. It might be a little bit of metal polish still in there, but yeah, all the chrome is pretty much like a little bit good right here, but yeah, pretty much all ate up. So I'm just gonna go to the next step, tear down a little bit of the wheel accessory here, maybe tape off this, but we're gonna go ahead and paint it. I think we're gonna go do like a neon green. I got some paint left over from some what do you call it, like low rider style bikes that I've been working on. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint this, and then paint the handlebars. Where'd those go? Paint these handlebars. Where'd I put those handlebars at? Oh, right here. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and paint these handlebars. They're already black. I'm just gonna paint them black, just clean them up. Then after that, we'll work on the wheels. We'll go through it. We'll probably go ahead and try to, repaint this rim. Maybe we'll keep it black, I don't know. And then clean up this little gear and everything like that. And maybe try to clean up these spokes and everything. I'm gonna keep this wheel right here the same. I'm just gonna keep it like that. It looks pretty cool. But this rim needs some repairing. And then what we're gonna do is, I was trying to save this right here, but this is just too rusted. There's no coming back, I think, from this. Plus, I already started taking some off. So I'm just going to take it all down, clean it up, and then spray paint it black. And then I'm just going to get a decal or something like that and put it over so it says West Coast Choppers on it. It'll look pretty cool. So, yeah, let's jump into it, guys.
This is Phase Music.
I should have known he was as good as dead when they wheeled him in.
right, guys, so we're all done. You can see down my little girl playing with the remaining spoke skins that we used to paint the front rim. So yeah, it came out pretty good. Looks a lot better than it did before. The only thing it's missing is a kickstand and a chain. I can't seem to find a chain that fits, so I'll have to maybe get one custom or something like that. But anyways, overall, it's all done. Came out pretty good. Only thing I'd recommend is if you're going to paint a rim on a bicycle or even on a dirt bike, probably too, don't take the spokes off. Huge pain in the ass. Um, you can see what I did with the front rim. Everything came out really clean and it only took a day. When the rear rim, when I took the spokes off, painted the hub, put it all back together, it took like about 6 days total. So, yeah, way too long of an investment time for just a little bicycle. So, yeah, came out pretty good. Hope you guys liked it. I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you guys next time.